Here, when we move to the next question, what do you believe is the answer here? What do you believe is the answer here? Now, consider the following statements. The Chamber of Princes had legislative power over the internal affairs of Indian states. Then the Chamber of Princes was formed to facilitate consultation between the government of India and the princely states on matters of common interest. Okay, so which one do you think is going to be correct here in this particular context? All right, so just read the statement. The Chamber of Princes had legislative powers over internal affairs of the Indian states, and the Chamber of Princes was formed to facilitate consultation between Government of India and princely states and on matters of common interest. So the second statement is somewhat neutral. It is not that extreme. It is not that here and there. It is neutral. It is a positive statement. But here they were given legislative powers over internal affairs to manage their own state. Okay, so that is going to be somewhat, that is going to be somewhat extreme. Why? Because during the British time period, if the Britishers give the Indian states this power, so that means they're giving them autonomy. And would the Britishers have given autonomy to them? Obviously not. The Britishers wouldn't have. Okay, so they were given consultative powers on legislative matters and not full powers. Okay, so you always think that during that particular time period, would the Britishers have done that, which could have led to more, power being given to the Indians? Would the Britishers have done that? So that is also something that you will have to think whenever you solve the question. So the answer here is only 2 is correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct? No. Both 1 and 2 are correct? No. Statement 1 is correct? No. Statement 1 is not correct, but statement 2 is correct. True. Okay, so that is how things are. Then